Artificial intelligence is simply a program or computer that is capable of performing tasks that normal people can do, and can absorb and take in its surroundings or an event and react intelligently. For example, a quickly rising product on AI is self-driving cars. All of the car's actions are taken by an AI program that observes surroundings and reacts intelligently on its own. The problem is none of people are aware of AI itself. In fact, many people can barely even define or describe it. It is very important that people are aware of its rapidly growing technology because with it brings many exciting changes and many possible problems. People must be aware of all aspects and sides in order to take an informed decision on whether they want to use a product or not. This video will help users understand the basic concepts of this ever-growing technology and its benefits and disadvantages. Do you own a smart TV?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Do you use a voice recognition and inbuilt camera?
Every day.
Yes.
No, I do not.
And do you leave the camera open?
Yes.
Sometimes.
And did you know that it's very easy for people to hack your TV and access your personal information?
No,
TV?
I didn't.
I didn't know.
Why do you not use it?
Well, it's very. We know that it's very easy to hack into these devices, and we would rather not be spied on by people.
Are you aware of the benefits of artificial intelligence?
Well, I've heard of the term and I've seen it in robots and other such technologies, but I think I've yet to know the full potential of this technology.
No, but I've heard that it can be very beneficial to our society.
Do you think that AI could potentially change the world?
Yeah, definitely, and I can see it becoming a good part of our technology in the future.
Well, when it comes to disadvantages, all technologies have a lot of disadvantages, and they may be countless, they may be a lot, but artificial intelligence does have a lot of drawbacks, and I've cut it down to 3 major drawbacks which I feel is the most important that we need to know. Well, number 1, an important concern about artificial intelligence is regarding the application of the technology. It's about the ethics and the moral values. Is it ethically correct to replicate us humans? Is it actually morals? Do morals allow us to replicate intelligence? Well, intelligence is a gift of nature, and it may not be right to install it into a machine to make it work for our benefit. Number 2, one of the major disadvantages of artificial intelligence is the cost incurred in the maintenance and repair. Programs need to be updated at a regular basis to suit the changing requirements, and the cost of repair is very high for the machines that need to be made smarter. Procedures to restore code or lost data may be time-consuming and costly. Another major disadvantage of artificial intelligence is if robots began to work in the humans in our everyday lives, it will eventually lead to a large amount of unemployment. People will be left with nothing to do. So much empty time may result in its destructive use. Thinking machines will govern all the fields and populate the positions that humans occupy, leaving thousands of people jobless. And by that, let me give you a prime example. See this robot taking food up to the hotel room. How it is efficiently just giving the food to the customer like a normal human being would do. What this does is that even though the robot is going and doing exactly the same thing, it eradicates the job opportunities for the people who actually apply for such jobs. In modern days, many people tend to not have enough money to afford for the education and are forced to do such tasks. But if the technology does capitalize over these jobs, it provides and it gains and it creates problems for the people who actually want to do this work in their future. It just spoils their chances for going into the field of doing manual labor.
AI robots can also easily automate jobs such as factory work and even small parts of construction work. There's a lot less risk to human life, and human beings don't have to be subjected to inhumane and dangerous conditions in manual labor. AI can also help take informed, unbiased decisions and can provide incredibly complex solutions to problems that are plaguing the world right now. To reiterate, the bigger problem here is people still being in the dark about artificial intelligence. We urge you to think about how artificial intelligence will affect you and the ones you care about, and decide what you think accordingly. It is incredibly important for this generation and the next as we rapidly move into an era of AI.